Hi!
Hello, and welcome to the Daily Almanac for June 11th. So, let's get started.
This day in history!
On this day in history, June 11th, 1742, Benjamin Franklin invented the wood-burning Franklin stove. Rather than patent it, Franklin chose to write about it in a book so that others could freely copy his design. He wrote that as we enjoy great advantages from the inventions of others, we should be glad of an opportunity to serve others by any invention of ours, and this we should do freely and generously. Also, on this day in 1880, Jeannette Rankin was born. She was elected to the U.S. Congress from Montana in 1916, making her the first woman to be elected to the United States House of Representatives. And on this day in 1889, a folding chair was patented by African-American inventors John E. Purdy and James R. Saguar of Washington, D.C. They described the chair as follows. When folded, this chair makes a remarkable small and compact bundle in very convenient form to be carried in a bag or shawl strap, making a most convenient article for artists, tourists, etc. Today on Word Power, we're going to talk about the word dictionary. Now, we all know that a dictionary is a book that lists words in alphabetical order. Dictionaries not only give the definition or meaning of the words in them, they also show how words should be pronounced. Many dictionaries also show the history of each word and how the meaning or pronunciation of that word has changed over the years. The word dictionary originally comes from the Latin term for word, which is dictio.
Extremes.
Today on Extremes, we ask, what is the animal with the largest claws on Earth? The answer is the giant armadillo. They use their 8-inch long claws, or 20 centimeters, to dig burrows and to hunt for termites. These massive creatures grow to be almost 5 feet long, or 1.5 meters, and can weigh up to 121 pounds, which is 55 kilograms. Armadillos also hold the record for the land mammal with the most teeth. They have up to 100 teeth, which are constantly growing and have to be worn down by chewing on plants.
Health tips.
Let's talk about ocean swimming and safety. Have you ever heard of riptides? Riptides are strong water currents that can carry swimmers away from shore before they even know what's happening. Now, if you're ever caught in a riptide, don't try to swim directly back to shore because fighting the current will tire you out too much. Instead, swim parallel to the shore, alongside the shore, until you swim through the riptide and beyond the current, and the water stops pulling you out. Then, swim back to shore. And if you can't get back to the beach, tread water and wave for a lifeguard's help. Do your parents have cell phones? Cell phones have to be recharged in order to keep the batteries fresh. But those recharger plugs are using electricity even when they're not recharging the cell phones. They waste energy and make your family's electric bill more expensive. So what can you do? Tell your parents that they will save money and keep the planet healthier if they unplug their cell phone charger when it isn't being used. You know, it pays to unplug. Well, that's all the time we have left today for Daily Almanac. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you tomorrow.